guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're seeing my face for the very first time, welcome. You're most welcome to my channel. Guys, today I'm going to be making a special recipe, and this recipe, trust me, is on a budget. I already beat down all the cost and everything to make sure that you get all the ingredients on a budget. So I'm going to carry you guys along on how I set up my stage before I shoot. I hope you guys will love to see it. You guys are going to be seeing the behind the scene of how I set up my stage. But before that, it's morning already, like this around, so this is 8:30 a.m. Before I start shooting, I'm going to have breakfast because a girl must have breakfast before shooting. Yes, if I don't have breakfast before shooting, I'll get too exhausted and I don't want that. I'm going to be having my specialty with my breakfast. So in case you guys are wondering what is my specialty, I don't know if I've told you guys about soursop. So there's this specialty that I love to take, like it's a soursop leaf. So I just boil it down and I take it with breakfast. So this is the leaf. I got 6 leaves of soursop. I'm going to be boiling it with 2 cups of water, and it's going to reduce to a cup of water. Then I'll drink it. I can drink it chilled, I can drink it hot or cold or warm, whatever, any way I want it. So this is the tea I take with my breakfast, and I do this like once a week. Yeah, I don't want it to be too much because there's no certain or precise, there's no precise prescription, but I just take it once a week, and I take just a glass cup of it. It's good for the body. You guys can browse it out. You can just go ahead and browse the usefulness of this leaf. And what else? Let's go make some tea. See you guys later.
Am I wrong? Was together we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? Am I wrong? For trying to reach the things that I can't see. I can't see. Yo, Vanessa got the sauce. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. Yeah. You think I'm wrong, right? But I do what thing is right. Can't handle you on my worst days. I lost too much, that's why I don't celebrate my birthdays. I lost too much, that's why I've been falling the earthquakes. I lost too much.
So I got this question a lot from people. Like, a lot of people have been complaining on how things are in the market, and all those food vloggers, including myself, right? How are they going to, start making all those recipes they've been saving on their phone and every other thing ever since I posted the last video about, posting recipes and they don't get to try it out? Well, that is why I'm here for you. Telex is always there to get you started. If you notice in my video that I don't use all those, all these expensive and extravagant ingredients to make recipes for you guys, I try to beat it down to match the definition of pocket friendly. So guys, you want to start trying out recipes that are affordable to you, just go according to your pocket and make it work. Okay? Okay.
Am I wrong? Was together we could be something for real. Now am I wrong? Am I wrong? For trying to reach the things that I can't see. I can't see. Yo, Vanessa got the sauce. That's just how I feel. That's just how I feel. Trying to reach the things that I can't see. Yeah. You think I'm wrong, right? But I do what thing is right. Can't handle you on my worst days. I lost too much, that's why I don't celebrate my birthdays. I lost too much, that's why I've been falling the earthquakes. I lost too much. Yeah. 什么是错，什么是对，什么是what I can't say。 Remember the days we were young.
to get inspired. We used to dance the night away, hang out the whole next day, laughing, having fun.
Before you can make yourself a sumptuous fried rice. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is Celeste's Kitchen. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make the best ginger fried rice ever on a budget. Emphasis on a budget. Okay, some recipe. So some recipe much to looking here. Is it spend on low battery? They flung their hair and darkened them. Ooh. Stop accusing people of what you are guilty of as well. You know. So and to see a lot of people say we should be real those recipes. You're just the one overhyping all those recipes. I'm not crying again. Covering of air while cooking. So let's be honest, guys. Stop being hypocritical. Tell me. I want to know. This morning when you were cooking, do you cover your hair? Did you cover your hair? Tell me. Did you cover that hair? Nice stuff. And because they flung their hair and every other thing, and then you say, oh, they are not hygienic. You that you are cooking in your house, are you hygienic? Do you cover your hair when you are cooking? Stop being hypocritical and cut them some slack. Bounce. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Please subscribe to my channel. Please. Please, I'm begging you. Please. What are you waiting for? Since all these days, I've been begging you guys to subscribe to my channel. And in case you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to this channel. Just hit that subscribe button. It's by your right. I'll tell you where it is. It's by your right. Please subscribe to my channel. Please help my also. Thank you guys. I'm not crying again. I'll see you guys next time.